In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable multi-factor authentication or MFA on Access Server and how users can set up Authenticator app like Google Authenticator to log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in to the OpenVPN Access Server admin web UI. In Access Server, you have option to enable MFA at the user level by going to Users, and then user settings, or click on edit user, and then you can see require MFA. You can enable or disable it here. Or you can do it at the group level by going to the group and change it in a group settings, or enable it in a group settings, same as users. So as you can see here, require MFA, you can enable or disable it here. Another option is enabling it at the system level. So to enable MFA at the system level, select the authentication from the left menu, and then under MFA section, toggle the switch to on. Then we just click on save to save the settings, and then we need to click on restart to restart our Access Server. Now MFA is enabled on the Access Server. From here, users will need to log into the web UI with their username and password to set up their Authenticator app. For example, I have a user, Tom. We're going to log in as Tom here. And this is the first time Tom logs in after we enabled MFA. At the very first login, he will be represented with this QR code, and we're going to scan this QR code with our Authenticator app, and then let's type the code and confirm. So this is how we set up the Authenticator app. Now we got logged into the client web UI, but from now on, anytime Tom wants to connect to our Access Server, he needs to enter the code. I'll bring up the client app. As you can see, I'm going to toggle the switch as Tom asking for the password, and it will ask for the code. And here we go. We're going to type the code here and click on send. And now Tom is connected. So this is how you set up the MFA. For more information, visit our website, openvpn.net, documentation and tutorials on the resources tab.